Viewers, this video is very important because today I'm going to talk about a new application that is being launched by the Facebook, that is a horizon world. I'm going to discuss about what is a horizon world and how you can use that and how what can you do into that a kind of digital world, what you can do that. In the horizon world is a kind of application where actually you can log in and you can make your identity, and it's just like a cartoonic person that is supposed to be in that your computer or in your application. So that is supposed to be you. So what you do, you can just go to that digital world and you can create your own environment, or if you like, you can live in that environment of the that is already there. So as like you, there are so many other people out there, so you can make like a company over there too, so you can like make friends, so you can make different companies over there so too, and you can like do different kind of projects. Like if you want to make a car that can fly, so you can make a car simply, and that car is going to fly over there. And if you are want to be a rocket scientist, so you can make a rocket, and like you can make different modifications, whatever you like. So the thing that like you have an idea in your mind about that thing, so you just make that thing. Like, so it's a kind of your imagination, so you are imagining yourself in somewhere where everything is possible, so you can make everything, you can create everything. Now here's the important point. So if you are a person, so if you are a kind of person, if you want to be a singer and you are not a singer in this world, so what you can do is, so you just simply go to that digital world and you'll be a like you will be a singer. And suppose if you want to be a scientist, and you are not a scientist in this world, so you can go to that digital world and you can be a scientist. And if you want to travel to Mars, if you want to travel to Moon, so you're there. Now the important point is like, is this is a kind of escape from this real world. Like if you are not satisfied this world, you're with your life, so you can simply take a kind of uh, brief period of time in which you want to live in that place. So it's a kind of place. Is it a kind of place where actually you want to live, and you basically are trying to escape from this world and you want to live in that place. So it's a kind of psychic thing to me, because you are basically going into that your state of mind where you are actually thinking that everything is possible for you. So after that brief period of time, let's say you was there for like a quick like 2 or 3 hours. After those 3 hours, when you come back in this world, real world, then what will happen? Like the everything is there for you, right? So so now you are facing the same world. So that might be more frustrating for you. I think so. That might be more frustrating for me if I would be there in a digital world, and then I came back in this world and seeing that everything is going wrong. So I would be very stressed, right? So I'm not sure like what is the basic purpose, right? So you are kind of providing an opportunity. If it's that, so then it's good. But in most cases, it's like an I believe it could be like a kind of addiction. So people use that as to escape from this real world, and they keep doing that, and a time come where your mind don't differentiate between this real world and that fake world. So you understand me? Like your brain basically don't differentiate between the real thing and your like and your dream. It's just like giving you an example. So if you're dreaming something, so you are actually feeling that thing, right? So if you are riding a bike or in a dream, so your body is feeling like you are actually doing or riding a bike. So it's like that. So if you are like in a digital world, so your brain basically is telling your body, you're sending a signals to your body, and your body is behaving like it is actually in that kind of real state. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. So I'll make the more videos so on these applications. So if you want more, just like let me know about that. Keep watching the channel, and if you like this video, just subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.